Welcome to this palatial French chateau. Unrivaled opulence awaits in this European masterpiece, offering 14,000 square feet of pure luxury, situated on 3.8 acres of meticulously landscaped serene grounds. The property is nestled atop one of the highest points in Essex County, New Jersey, and offering unparalleled panoramic views of the New York City skyline. Tucked in the heart of a cul-de-sac, entry to the chateau is protected by massive wrought iron gates. The limestone residence embodies a strong sense of Greco-Roman influences. The use of Corinthian columns, a massive fountain, sculptures, Greek keys above the scalloped arched mullioned glass windows, and a multitude of architectural elements prove this to be an amazing home. The home boasts a limestone exterior with 3 levels of balconies and a grand and elegant foyer reminiscent of a European palace, welcoming guests with a double bridal staircase and gilded railing imported from Europe. This extraordinary estate personifies a timeless grandeur, bringing together profound luxury and intimate craftsmanship. The result is an homage to classical architecture and a warm, inviting sense of home. This home flawlessly blends extravagant elements with intimate details, such as 6 hand-carved fireplaces, sprawling rooms inviting large family gatherings, and windows of tremendous size bestowing breathtaking views. The kitchen is a cook's dream kitchen. Done in cherry and granite, the focal point is a large floating island perfect for mingling and enjoying the fruits of friendship and entertaining. Upstairs is the master bedroom, featuring a hand-painted ceiling and magnificent fireplace. The owner's suite has the requisite his and hers bathrooms. The balance of the floor opens to the first floor and contains 5 large ensuite bedrooms. Downstairs, entertain with unmatched interior amenities, including a private deluxe theater, billiards table, sports area with media. Afterward, guests can enjoy drinks poured in the stunning pub imported from Europe, complete with custom hand-carved millwork and stained glass ceilings. Outdoors, bask poolside by the heated granite pool and spa, relax on the sun deck, or decompress in the tranquil meditation garden complete with koi pond. The athlete at heart can enjoy the outside multi-purpose sports court, perfect for tennis or basketball. The home is listed for sale at $7,200,000.